slowly, and your aim is to find the rope. You're freezing, it's cold, it's snowing, it's storming. So you can start to look for the rope now and move extremely slowly. Slowly, Ahmed. Very slowly. Ahmed, you have to move more slowly. You decide yourself, be silent. Silence! Silence!
Tyst! No speaking!
rescued as a group, that is to make a square out of the rope.
Oh,
You
wow.
can't see, so you still can't see you can speak with each other, and you're supposed to make a square out of the rope. So that is the task. And when you have made a square, we want you to put it down and take a step back. So you decide when you're finished. When you have a square, you put the rope down and you take one step back.
How many corners should we make?
How many corners does a square have?
Square, 4 corners.
Guys, a square has got 4 corners, so we need 4 leaders at every corner.
Yeah.
I have got 1 edge of the rope.
We will make the first
Okay.
Who has the edges?
I'm having the edge. I'm having the edge.
You are on the right.
I'm on the right and I'm having the edge.
Count 9 people, then that's an angle.
Okay.
You and Shama are the first angle here.
Okay. Guys, you have to go straight line beside me here.
Here's the first angle here.
Wait a minute. We should count each other.
Yeah, I
Let
agree
us
with
count
that.
each other.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
How about
I'm starting by here.
listen
Guys, please listen to me. One.
That's a very good idea.
Yeah.
8 people for each side. We have about 30
We are 34, yeah.
Let's continue.
Yeah.
1,
2, 3,
Continue.
4.
5.
No, we should be in a row.
Okay.
We should use the voice to know each one where it's
Okay,
located.
we should start from the edge. We should start from the edge.
but first, Ahmed,
What?
first we should
We are counting.
count ourselves. Then we
Yes,
can
yes.
divide it to 4
Guys,
corners by number.
Guys,
Who is having the other edge?
through the voices we can locate where we are, and that's what.
Let's start counting again. 1,
Not matter where we are.
3,
4.
Please want to square.
Guys, we should listen to each other.
Please, guys, that everyone listens to everyone.
You're the second
First,
angle.
we make a straight line, and then we count one another, and then we make a square.
Angle.
It's going
We
to be
made,
very
made
easy.
a side.
Nasiba,
with
do you have the
angles, guys?
لا أنا بعمل. Please come this way. Please.
But sweetheart, how can we make a line? We don't know. We need to listen to each one of you. We made the first side with angles.
Count 8. Count 8. Count 8. Count 8.
And who has the beginning and who has the ending?
So between Yusuf and Shama, how many people are there?
How many people are on this side though?
Okay, so
But this side needs to be counted.
okay, we start on this side. Okay, wait, corner is in which number do you?
Are you counting?
I think it's the beginning, it's the end, and we go and we. Guys, it's the beginning of the rope, mid the end of the rope, and we go out. We will make a.
Okay, guys, Ahmad has an end. Who has another end?
We have another end.
At the end,
Yes.
wait, we start with
Ahmad one.
I'm 1.
don't move, please, don't move. Okay, we start with Ahmad 1. We count 9. We do the first corner. 1, 2, 3.
And we go to.
Yes.
So please wait.
Yes, here's the corner.
Guys, I have a corner and Yala is counting 8 persons. So we get to the other corner. Then 8 people, another corner. 8 people, another corner, and we have the square.
Okay, let's start by Nadia because she's the corner.
One.
To the right, guys,
To the right. I say 1, and who's on the right says 2. Okay, can we make a straight side? Shama, you're the second angle. Shazin have a straight.
I'm here. Who's following me? Okay, what Nasiba? Okay.
Guys, for God's
Okay,
sake.
we have a side here.
Let's start counting with Nadia.
Yalla, start counting.
Okay, I'm counting the second side.
Okay.
Please, can you all be quiet?